These chopped Italian sliders were some of the best sliders that we have ever had. Let me show you how to make them. To make the salad, you'll mix together shredded lettuce, some diced red onions, some chopped dill pickles and banana peppers, some mayonnaise, and some submarine dressing. Mix that up really well and put it in the fridge while you make everything else. Cut a package of these King's savory butter rolls in half lengthwise. Spread a layer of mayonnaise on the bottom rolls and bake at 400 for 7 to 10 minutes or until golden brown. Now you're going to take some ham, some salami, and some pepperoni and chop it up into really small pieces. Now place it in a skillet over medium heat and cook it until it's completely heated through. Take the rolls out of the oven and put a layer of sliced provolone on there, then top it with the cooked meat. Place the top rolls back on and brush with melted butter with garlic powder and Italian seasoning. Bake for another 5 minutes. Take the top rolls off again and spread that salad mixture on there. Now put the top rolls back on, slice them up, and that's all there is to it. Now pause the video to screenshot the recipe. Enjoy.